Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing algorithms and preparing keys. You generate an AES 256 key for file encryption or an RSA 2048 key pair when you need asymmetric exchange. Once done, store private keys in a hardware token or encrypted file protected by a strong passphrase so attackers can't access them. Make sure to install trusted tools like OpenSSL or GPG and verify versions. This ensures compatibility. You now have keys and tools ready and understand why each choice matters for confidentiality and future verification. You now perform the core encryption steps. First, if using symmetric AES 256, derive a key from a passphrase with PBKDF2 or script, then encrypt in an authenticated mode like AES GCM so integrity is protected. Once you encrypt large data, encrypt the AES key with the recipient's RSA public key for safe transport. Make sure to include an HMAC or rely on GCM tags to detect tampering. Also, securely share public keys or use TLS for exchange, so only intended. You finish by securely wiping plaintext and any temporary key files so nothing leaks. Use secure delete tools or encrypted containers. Then test decryption right away with the recipient's private key or your own backup key to confirm the process works end-to-end. If decryption fails, check common causes: wrong key or passphrase, file corruption, missing authentication tag, or permission issues. If needed, compare file headers and tags, and retry with a verified key copy. This step prevents data loss and ensures reliable recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.